This morning, I couldn't log into any of my company's systems. I quickly received a crisis notification from our Astran Always Ready platform. I accessed the emergency onboarding page, where I had several secure login options available at any time. I was immediately brought to the crisis processes that required my attention, including the critical invoices payment process. Right away, I can see the structure of the process and how responsibilities are distributed across teams. The process starts with our corporate finance team. Astran securely hosts our vital data outside our company systems, which means that even during the incident, we still have access to fresh ERP data, including pending invoices and vendor information. This data isn't just stored. Astran automatically transforms it, consolidating everything into a single, ready-to-process invoice list. From there, the corporate team can generate a summary report to track the status of critical payments. Following the process instructions, invoices are automatically split by region, France and the US, and now I'm working on the US track. The instructions remove guesswork. A colleague in accounts payable has already reviewed the invoices to be paid. He left a comment in the platform, pointing out 3 invoices to Park. He then sent those remaining to me for validation. With Astran, I can always access the latest version of the data. I review the invoices, approve them, and send them to Treasury. To keep things moving, I also assign a task to my corporate colleague to validate the payment by 3 p.m. so everyone stays aligned on timing. All communication and decisions stay attached to that step, keeping collaboration focused even under time pressure. Now, switching to the corporate manager perspective, I can see all my assigned tasks directly in Astran without relying on any other unavailable company systems. I access the critical invoices payment process and review its current status. The accounts payable team has submitted their file, and I can assess it before we trigger payment. Our e-banking solution requires payments in a specific plain XML format, so Astran processes the validated invoices and generates the file automatically. I don't need to handle complex formats. Astran takes care of that. I can download the file and submit it directly through our e-banking portal. The process then requires me to record the payment ID for future reconciliation. Every action is logged, ensuring full traceability. This gives our audit and finance teams complete visibility after the crisis, to confirm that nothing was missed and to continuously improve how we respond in the future. Being ready when a crisis hits requires preparation. Outside of crisis mode, Astran helps resilience and business teams track their level of readiness over time. All emergency processes required to operate a minimum viable company are listed in the platform. In this case, we can see that the platform is actively used by our crisis response teams, including finance and IT operations. For each critical process, Astran tracks the freshness of the data it depends on, as well as whether the process has already been tested or simulated. This ensures that processes are not just documented, but truly actionable when needed. Drilling into a process, users can review both the process structure and its execution history. Data freshness is defined at the file level, making it easy to detect any issue in data integration before it impacts execution. The process itself is built using a simple markdown editor, intuitive building blocks to capture user input, and light coding for data transformations, making it easy to design, review, and adapt processes over time. In addition, Astran provides AI capabilities to review process consistency, generate new processes from scratch, or derive alternative versions from existing ones, allowing teams to adapt quickly as scenarios evolve.